Hey, it's me, Leah, and I'm super excited to talk about this smart thermometer. Especially around Thanksgiving time, it's super important for me because that turkey has to be perfect. This is a smart thermometer, and I am super excited. So let's open this up and check it out. First of all, it comes nicely packed. I mean, look at that. So this is the carrying case to the 4-prong thermometers. There's 4 in there. So usually my turkey, I need 2 thermometers, one at the bottom, one in the breast, just to make sure that bird is completely done. These are great for porks, for roasts, for smoking, anything that you need. And this is a long range, and you just press down. And there you have your prongs. And it has a digital screen, and I'm super excited. So I'm going to download the app, get this bad boy charged up, and we're going to start baking something to show you how well this works. As you can see, just from the app, it was super easy to connect this. So now I'm going to give this a good charge, get my meat all prepared, get something cooking, and show you how well this works. As you can see, it was super easy to use. I'm using 2 right now. I have one in my slow cooker, so I'm kind of like roasting, smoking that in there, and it's telling me the temperature. And then I have one in my oven that I just started. That is number 1. And then there's number 2, which already has a temperature. And I'm super excited. As you saw with the app features, it's super easy to use. I can stay connected at all times, monitor from my phone, monitor from this. Easy to store, easy to use. Even tells you right here on the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it lets you know which ones these are, so that you know which ones these are. But I got this free for review, and I'm telling you, like, this is, if you're a cooker, this is what you need. This for me is going to be perfect for the holidays when I cook that turkey. I got this free for review, and I really do highly recommend this.